My question is the topic Industry 4.0. I would like you to explain in a very simple language, but I would like you to tell an example, a use case, something that you believe you have been associated with and you can emotionally get connected such that delegates here also can get emotionally connected. Over to Shreya.
Perfect. Thank you, Dr. Chandan, for this opening. So, Industry 4.0, in simple terms, for me, is synonymous with smart factories. It's just, things talking to each other. Business owners understanding how their top line and bottom line is getting impacted by metrics that are driven by manufacturing, like throughput, yield, equipment efficiency, right? So that is Industry 4.0 to me. When I talk about specific use cases, they're all driven by which part of the value chain we're looking at. Let's look at the quality assurance section. So there is a use case related to computer vision technology that I've been really working with, and specifically in the pharmaceutical industry, where good lab practices become key, even good manufacturing practices in example. So computer vision solutions can actually help somebody identify when somebody is doing hand, like a door opening using the hand instead of an elbow, bending over a conveyor belt. And all of these incidents can be alarmed, can be identified, and reported in a really good fashion. So computer vision as a technology, I think, is a very low-hanging fruit that can be implemented on an existing infrastructure, in this case, the existing CCTV infrastructure. So unlike the perceived high capital investment that is there by manufacturing leaders, I think these kind of solutions are low-hanging fruits, give high ROI, and I think I've been really, really passionate about solving different use cases that use computer vision.
Right.